how to monetize your YouTube channel and how to multiply your earnings from YouTube. If that's something you have been thinking about, keep watching this video as I will show you exactly how you can monetize your YouTube channel fast and how you can multiply your ad revenue 5 to 10 times. I'm Eva, I run 4 YouTube channels and I hope you will be inspired to start your own YouTube channel after watching this video. So subscribe to learn more about making money online and make money on YouTube. Alright, let's dive in. The most known way to monetize your YouTube channel is to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. How long it will take would depend on your strategies. I will tell you all the points you need to know to monetize quickly, but before that, let me just quickly mention, this is not my favorite way of making money on YouTube. Keep watching and we will get there. I would also like to say straight away, do not use any bots or any promotional services on freelancing platforms. All of the services offers to you to get your channel monetized super quickly. It will only result in fake subscribers, fake views, and eventually it will hurt your channel sooner or later. There is no point in doing that, regardless of how tempting it might be, okay? How much money you will make on YouTube ads revenue will depend on CPM, cost per mil, meaning the cost per 1,000 views. Mil is a Latin word of 1,000. CPM depends on the niche and some pay as little as $1 per 1,000 views and some $50 per 1,000 views. So I will give you a list of some of the best high paying niches in just a second, okay? Another thing to remember, make your videos longer than 8 minutes to put multiple ads when you get monetized, and I would highly suggest you to start doing that from the beginning. Don't wait until you get monetized before creating longer videos, because most of the ad revenue will come from your old videos, not the ones you have recently uploaded. So by the time you get monetized, you can then place multiple ads on all of your videos. As I said, there is a way how to multiply your earnings from the ad revenue, and you do not have to wait until you meet the criteria to apply for YouTube Partners program. But before we move to that, here are some high CPM niches. Make money online, finance, investing, legal, real estate, insurance, marketing, health, fitness, beauty, makeup, cars, and movies. So alternatively, you can monetize your channel by creating a digital product. Yes, it might be time consuming for sure, but well worth it. In a couple of minutes, I will tell you what you can do if you do not wish to create your own product, but still want to use this method to monetize your channel. So now, if you want to make your digital product, there are a couple of things to bear in mind. It has to be related to your channel, to your niche, and your audience. If your channel is about makeup, for example, you won't be creating a business advice guide, right? It doesn't have to be massive and it doesn't have to be very expensive. Many fitness channels are selling their workout plans, recipe books, and so on. Let's say you just finished watching a workout routine video and see the link of the meal plan. You open the link and it costs like $4 or $5. Many will just grab it, and this is extra earnings to the channel. You could implement a funnel for your digital product, starting from something small and then guide your viewers to potentially more significant purchase. We have an entire playlist on this channel that explains how the funnels work and why you should consider setting up one. So you can watch some of our previous videos if that's something you would like to explore more. Okay, let me give you some examples of digital products. They can be ebooks, softwares, courses, videos, audios, photographics, digital art, PDF files, and more. You might be saying, what to do if I can't be bothered to create your own product? It's time consuming at the end of the day. Well, I have an answer for that. You can partner with someone who has already created a product. And that's called affiliate marketing, meaning you will be promoting somebody else's product and then making your cut once the product is sold. And you do not need to even promote actively. You can just need to make sure that your product is closely related to your niche, your videos, so it will make sense for the product link to be in your video's description. Okay, websites like Digital24, Clickbank, Warrior Plus got loads of digital products to choose from, and I have done another video listing many of these sites, and then I have compared all the pros and cons, and you can watch this video right here. Okay, if you are struggling to find the product suitable for your channel, in just a second I will show you why that might be the case and what to do then. So you need to balance whether you will be going for hefty commissions, potentially a few sales, or smaller commissions and then possibly more sales. Either way, you can just try out different products and see how it works, as you do not have to produce or manufacture anything, right? You can also do a testing, include various links in different videos and see which ones perform the best. If you can't find a product, if your niche is not evergreen, it doesn't have a lot of interest, and I'm not talking about your new channel, but your competitors as well. If they have less than 1,000 views on their videos, there is not a lot of interest. Therefore, CPM will be low and there won't be any sub niches. And if you go for the following niches, you will never ever struggle to find a product. So health, fitness, make money online, finance, technology, and pets. So that's how you can get monetized before you get approved for the YouTube partner program. And once you get approved, multiply your earnings. So how do you get monetized fast? Well, number one, narrow down your niche. Have a specific video for a particular audience. The YouTube algorithm will then know what your videos are about and ultimately who will be your audience. Number two, upload frequently. If you can do it daily, if not at least a couple of times per week. Create a schedule and stick to it, okay? Don't ask why your channel is not monetized when you have uploaded like 5 videos during 2 months. So number three, do your keyword research. Use free tools like vidIQ to find the right keywords within your niche. I will leave the link to the vidIQ tool in the description below. Okay, number four, stay consistent and produce the best quality videos you can, meaning take it seriously and give it all you have. If you would like to learn more in-depth training on how you can start your YouTube channel, the several ways how you can do it, and most importantly, how to make money out of it as soon as possible, watch the free training available to anyone. And even if you do not want to show your face and are scared of the camera, you can still make money on YouTube. Watch the free training to find out how. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are serious about starting your YouTube channel and making the most of it, this is the following video you should watch. Now it would be great if you could click a like, a subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can see you in my next video.